Hello guys, today's video is the second part of the birthday celebration of Mali.
Kaya dating ng party ka, inuwi amin. Kami nga ang friend. Wow, mamaragsakan ka. Thank you for your generosity. You're one of a kind. God bless you. Next, Roslyn. Roslyn. Cheers of 50 years. You're not getting older, but every day you look amazing.
Next, Cindy.
Uy, napintas. Ganda.
50 years to you 40.
I know.
Yes, it's true. I love your family. I love living next to you. I love seeing you. She loves people. She's generous. I think nothing that will make you mention that. You have a nice background.
Thank you. Gloria.
Manas Glo.
Ira. Cheryl.
Happy birthday, Ipang.
And everyone, kunaman kami na.
Jennifer.
Jennifer.
Malagit kong mga talang amin. Upay mo na.
Ada, inta video.
Thank you for being part of your eating candles. Thank you for your friendship. I'm so honored. So, may these candles add light to your golden years. Yeah, and more love, happiness, and good health. Thank you.
Gloria. Next. Gloria.
Yeah, no, that's not. 5 minutes is speech. Ako na, dati dugang. Sumabasigad ka. 4 minutes. 4 minutes lang na. Happy birthday.
Fiona. Fiona.
Thank you. Lorna.
Ala, hindi ka.
Thank you for the gift. Thank you for being a mahal ito ba?
May, suna mo ang sakitan.
Happy birthday, Mali. Wishing you happiness, good health, and well-deserved celebration. Yeah. Arlene. Ayaw ka pala siyo. Opo di ako.
Ira.
Kumawagan kang tumulat ka, di ba nang pala tapos ako?
Ira.
Mayara sa ako.
Sa tingin ka na. Magsalita ka. Anak ka tayo.
Happy birthday, Tita Mari. Thank you. Yan, alos mo. Yan, nakabalik din tayo natin po rin. And,
Bumati ka na ta.
birthday ko. Thank you for celebrating me. I really appreciate that. I hope good health. And may the Lord lay His hand in your plans. We love you so much.
Helen! DJ! Apple!
Tara, dyan ka ito manon.
Apple!
Adapit ang dinan mo.
DJ!
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Magabutan na yan. Di ba? Kasapsipan na yan.
Thank you.
DJ! DJ! Mayo!
Wala, DJ, pakat mo.
Pakat mo!
Camille, si Camille, tingnan mo. Oh, ni Camille. Oh, it's gonna be Camille after.
Happy birthday, Nita.
Mag-isa kita.
Makinag!
Arlene. I think you for always taking care of
No.
for being there for mama. I wish you happiness and good health.
That is my mom.
I love you so much and I wish you peace as well.
I have a lot of kids.
Peace.
I have a lot of kids.
Yeah. But yeah, so no, really, thank you so much for always being there.
Mamas.
I love you so much. So this picture.
Arlene.
I know. Because not knowing that since 2004, we first met, and then suddenly we lost contact. We lost contact, and then we are reunited again when we were friends with my friends now. Yeah. Yeah. Happy and blessed 50th birthday and more toppings. Oh yes. And Camille. Okay. So we're gonna sing to your Lola, to your grandma.
Live, laugh, love. I hope you live or continue to live such a happy life. I hope you. I wish you great fortune in life. $1 billion next year. Next year. Okay. Tomorrow.
Dada.
Okay.
Dada.
I need Dada pie. Dada pie after. Of course. Happy birthday, Mamika.
Again. Neighbor.
I love to call you my second mother. Ang yaman akti. Ay akti.
Years of joy.
Manong kung lagi tauping. Inawat na akas parte di pamilyayo. May sa akin tuwing at kayo nga nang kadwa kanya. Nga yung balik na yung hanap na may mesa. Kat agyam-yaman na. I love you, Mamita.
Big boss.
Yours truly.
No, four.
Okay. It's your turn, my friend. As they say, love thy neighbor. I love you, neighbor.
No more barter of food.
3 seconds. All I can say, I love you and we are grateful that we are neighbors.
for being the
Being
candle
mommy.
ng pangalan.
Being mommy. Happy birthday, mother. Thank you for being my mommy. All the sacrifices that you've done for my life. It's so sweet. Happy birthday.
Kiss mommy!
Fish mommy! Fish mommy!
Isa-isa, no?
Loyo na kami nun. Loyo na ka. Loyo on candle. Happy
Birthday to
Okay, what's next?
Blow ka pa ka na. Blow, blow, blow. Adopay. Adopay shot.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Everyone. Good evening. Are you still alive? Of course. Are you having fun? Sure. Okay. I just want to thank you all. I want to say thank you to all of you guys who came and celebrate my birthday. I know there's a party, but I don't know that this is the party gonna go. Yaman nakiti pa ng surprise sa kanya, and I love you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you. Friends, neighbors, relatives, who else?
No, we're
All of your families, all of the above. Thank you so much, and I love you. I love you all. I love you, and thank you, and God bless us all. And now it's time to
Slice the cake.
slice the cake and eat the cake and go home with no gifts.
I got you.
Thank you so much, and I'm so happy. Je suis tellement heureuse que ce soir. Oui, merci beaucoup. Merci, merci à tous. Tamayo! Where are you, Tamayo? Choose which one you want here.
Bagit?
Yeah. I don't know, just choose one bag. Just choose one bag. Okay.
Yun ang akala mo. Yun ang akala mo. Yun ang akala mo. Pag malaki, sigurado ka.
Deborah, awan kami grain na ko. Agkat. Agkat iso na titik na.
Lucas.
Grain na gaminan.
Choose one.
The big one. At nakatuloy ko din. Big one. Thank you.
Thank you, Mamita. Aji. Choose one. Which bag? Choose which bag. Rapacon.
Papa Cone!
Papa ko, choose one bag. Thank you, Manita. Thank you. Oh, Melba!
It's me!
Choose one bag. Mabel! Sino ang picture? Awan na! Dali ka! Awan na! Picture! Video! Oh my God.
Thank you!
Ay, Mabel!
Nakalay!
Day Jai.
Bagiti ka nagbagaan niya, anak kaya!
Wait. Kasi nag-text ni Len. Ipakol pa na ito eh. Parlor Games. Special.
Ako, di tayo mamasama kung paano yung games. Tignan mo kami namin.
Di pa Parlor Games. Ito pa na ko lang.
Madamdaman ito nga.
Luhan pagbingayan tanto.
Evelyn!
Renita!
Paala ka na kaya mo ba?
Ay, kas dyan.
Well, dakil basit.
Dati man takkel.
Pero! Pangalan ka, which bag you want?
Ano to?
Basta surprise!
Thank you!
Cheryl!
Then, ayun na ni Eliza.
Which bag you want? Ay, thank you. Mga anak kayo mga bag, big or small? Small ka. Kaysa dakil, kaya ko bang dakil, dakil. Thank you very much, Mare. Thank you very much. Which one? Big, small?
This is Mami.
Big or small?
Big!
Okay.
This is big.
Big one. Big which bag? That one? Yeah. Big which Okay. Thank you.
Ayan lupa.
Mangala ka.
Iyaw po, di ma.
Diyan. Download pa yung agala. Thank you.
Ikaw mo bagay?
Naglaksan ka dito. Kailangan ka matata. Pare. Ano pa yung pinag?
Ano? Ang dapat na yun. One family.
One family, one baso.
One family, one baso. One family, one baso. Ada baso mana?
At sinuglat tayo kape.
Mana? Lagi tayo babalasang. Okay, balasang may kayo yan.
Names.
Ayan balasang. Nasawaan ka.
Allah! Hanak mo nag-asawa.
Thank you.
For you.
Balasa.
For you.
Balasan. Thank you. Ayun, balasan si Joy.
Balasang ko.
Mga balasan. Nalasan na naman sa balasan.
Yeah, di balasang ko. Thank you.
Balasan mo ano.
Balasang.
May balasan ito.
Raquel.
Angie, dapat balasan na.
Ni Angie. Ni Angie.
Balasan na.
Angie.
All sana all.
Okay, tayo kami.
Nasa kami, Ardal.
Binata ni Buwa.
At ako, balasang mo.
Okay.
Slice ka na.
So open the gate.
Oh! Wow, Fortuna! Apple pie!
Apple pie.
Peach mango!
Wow, what's that? Gold bar?
What is it? It's
Oh.
That's
you, not for Kiana.
Alabagan tuman disipit to nabigatan. From Glenn and Hannah, thank you for blanket. Bang Lo, happy 50th birthday Nina from LJ. Oh, at the Daddy LJ. This is the second one? Oh.
Don't color it at a young age, I think I regretted my.
Mare. Apo. Golden pa dyan. Yan na dyan lang sa pagpakita. Golden.
That's for Kiana.
Golden.
That's for Kenneth. No, that's for Kiana.
What's that? It's golden. Golden. Oh.
Oh, Pandora. A kiss of Kiana.
Oh.
This is my favorite thing to do to you. Oh my gosh,
Another Chanel.
I wanna get one.
Lipstick and cookies.
O sa amin na yan, di mo kailangan.
Another Chanel. Dami mong lipstick. Tama na yan.
Donate. Maybe that's for me.
Bakit kailangan nyo? You need? Okay. I'll give you later. Happy birthday! Love, Tina, Casper. Happy 50th birthday, Margie. We wish you all the best. We are grateful to have you.
Wow. Casper went to
Oh, Casper knows how to ride.
So tall.
Yeah.
And he went to Pandora too. Wow, what's inside? A dog thing. ASMR.
Nagsabi ang mga lukat ng kapsa.
Good job, Casper. Good
Kasi ang mga lukat ng kapsa. I-flex mo. Oh, i-flex mo.
Mga tangkati. Oh,
From Darling.
Balasang likita mo siya. You see, this is
Happy birthday. Nakpekit ang mga lukatan. Kasi ang mga lukatan dyan kay Darling. Oh.
Darling, I don't know who that is.
Si Tita.
Ah.
Pagsapyan. Coffee socks. Coffee socks. Ako. For spa. Thank you.
Napitas na tuna yan.
May nalaman ang lipstick. Nakalablabagan ng lipstick. Ginagaw naman na si Brunei Alex. Thank you guys. Ha? There's more? Where? Yeah. Thank you guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Another gift from Pinay. Kuna na sinsinan ka no dito eh. Oh. Oh, nagamo nga Cindy.
Wow, you can
No, you can. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it can.
Yeah, it's called Cindy, Pastor Cindy and Glenn.
Again, happy 50th golden birthday. You're not getting older, you're just becoming a classic.
And this
Wishing you laughter, love, and lots of cake and a year full of blessings. Thank you for inviting us to your birthday celebration. We had a wonderful time and truly appreciate being included in your special day. Busog mats and may patay pa.
Thank you for watching. May God bless us all.